Round 14 family? It's yours truly, SRT BJ, coming back with another banger for you guys, man. Hey, happy New Year's, bro. We in 2026 now, bro. I think it's just gonna continue to get better from here, you know what I'm saying? So look, I've been doing it towards the end of 2025, and it's only right I bring it into 2026. We are about to take the Hellcat out to Mexico, baby. Our first race in 2026, man. I don't know what we're gonna end up racing. I don't know what's gonna be at this meet, but we finna go pull up and we finna get it on and popping, you dig? So, man, welcome back to the channel, bro. I appreciate y'all for tapping in, rocking with me as always. And it's all love over here, big dog. So what other way to start this, you know, the first video for 2026 by me out here running the car? And y'all already know we got the 2650. We just, you know, we just taking our little precious time to put it on the car. But when it's on the car, hey, they better be ready. That's all I gotta say. You feel me? That's all I gotta say, bro. But we finna get ready, hop in the whip, and then shoot out to this meet and see what we can get into, man. I pray and hope that all y'all are having a blessed and amazing New Year's. And I pray and ask for whatever y'all ask for, you know what I'm saying, like your new revolution type stuff. You know, whatever you ask for, I hope it comes true, come to fruition. And yeah, we all get to live life the best way possible, you feel me? But yeah, let's get in the car. Let me give y'all a cold start. Let's get over here to this meet. Y'all see it, gang. First meet of 2026, man. We got some good looking cars out here. We got us a GTR right here. Don't know what package it is. Could be stock or 600, 800, 1,000 package, ain't no telling. But yeah, we got some good cars out here, man. We're gonna see what we can find and go hit the Mexico streets.
That's what they say. What they say. 2650 Maggie. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. It's on the big pulley, so
about 1,000.
Stock fuel system, 93.
Yeah. Gang, I hope I got y'all in a good position. Right now we're finna go run this MT82 Mustang with the 2650 Maggie on it, VMP. And then I don't know, I think this Caddy's finna join too. I don't know what's done to it at all, but we finna get it in for sure. So let's get it. my fucking hood popped up, y'all. That was a badass run, bro. But my hood just popped up. I hope I got that on camera for y'all. That was insane. I gotta pull over for that. Check this out, gang. Bro, my whole hood popped up. This is crazy work. Oh, that's crazy work. I'm glad they didn't shoot up on me. But that was a badass run with that Mustang. So let me get back over here to the meetup spot and I'll cut y'all. All right, right now we're finna get ready and run this BMW. Not too sure what's done to it, but I know it's pretty fast, or really fast. So 60 roll and we're gonna see what it does. Was a run, boy. Woo! Woo! That was a motherfucking run. Yes, sir. I spun real bad on a 60 roll. What? How am I spinning on a 60 roll, bro? But that was badass. That was fucking badass. Hey, boy. Good shit, boy. Good shit. Yes, sir. Man, that was badass, bro. But hey, like always, man, it's yours truly, SRT BJ, man. We bringing in 2026 the right fucking way, and we're gonna continue to, you know, push it that way, man. But other than that, man, 14 way or no way, baby. Your boy is out. Peace.